Judge and defense attorney exploded in court.
If you want to fight, let's go out back and I'll just beat your ass.
John C. Murphy was a respected U.S. judge, but the attitude of a public defender finally ended up getting on his nerves. No one expected the reaction of the two, which is why surprise generated the incredible altercation that went viral.
Question. You want to set it for trial?
You can set it for trial if you want to set it for trial instead. Sure.
Well,
I'm not waiving. That's if the question is, am I waiving? The answer is, I'm not waiving.
Just say it.
Okay, I'm not waiving.
I don't care.
I don't care either. I'm not
I
waiving.
just needed to set it for a date.
Well, normally we go to Dockatown after that. If you want to go to trial, we'll set it for trial. That's fine.
All right, speedy trial. That is.
The situation was already tense among counsel, but it would soon get out of everyone's hands. When the next client appeared, the defense counsel and the magistrate began a battle that went on and on.
Sir. You're Mr. Runkles.
Yes, sir.
2 charges, assault and resisting. You have the public defender. Public defender, what do you want to do?
But they filed.
They have.
I'm not waiving.
All right, what do you want to do?
What do you want to do? I'm not waiving. You want to set it for trial, set it for trial.
All right.
If you want to set it for Dockatown, set it for Dockatown. I'm not waiving in any case. This is an emergency
if I
created
had
by
a
the
rock,
state.
I would throw it at you right now.
This is
Stop pissing me off. Just sit down. I'll take care of it. I don't need your help.
No,
sit
you know
down.
what? I'm the public defender. I have a right to be here, and I have a right to
I
stand
said
and represent
sit
my
down.
clients.
Judge Murphy and attorney Andrew Weinstock had had enough of each other, so it seemed there was only one way to solve the problems, and it would all be on audio tape.
If you want to fight, let's go out back and I'll just beat your ass.
Nobody understood what was going on, but when the judge returned to the courtroom after the altercation, everyone applauded. The situation took them all by surprise, but they took everything that happened with a bit of amusement.
Man, I'm an old man.
And as if nothing had happened, he went on with his work.
Your choices, considering there's probably going to be a changeover in personnel, are setting it for trial, which would be June 9th at 8:30, or if you were wanting to waive speedy, we would set it for July 15th.
The truth is, of course, a fight like the one he had in court was going to get him in a lot of trouble. He even had to go all the way to court to save his career.
He backed me up. He had me pinned to the wall with his right arm. And he brought his left hand back in a fist. Then he punched me in the face, hitting me here, which is my lower right jaw. And I was absolutely shocked.
Judge Murphy would ultimately be removed from his position by the Supreme Court on December 17, 2015, a decision made on the basis of his questionable attitude.
This is an emergency
if I
created by
had a
the
rock,
state.
I would throw it at you right now.
Stop
pissing me off. Just sit down. I'll take care of it. I don't need your help.
No,
sit
you know
down.
what? I'm the public defender. I have a right to be here, and I have a right to
I
stand
said
and represent
sit
my
down.
clients.
What happened between attorneys Murphy and Weinstock is something that you don't really see in the courts of law. What is common, however, is for judges to lose their patience over various situations and end up yelling at prosecutors, witnesses, or whoever else is there.
For me, not for you.
My understanding of
You should have come and asked for reconsideration. You did on the one motion, and in fact, I granted your motion for reconsideration.
However, of course, it's not always anger that makes itself present, but many other times it's grief and helplessness that ends up completely enveloping the judges.
I recognize the pain. I can only imagine if my wife, my daughter, did not come home one night.
The truth is that, of course, all human beings are prone to breaking down anywhere if we are moved or angered enough by something. And a judge isn't exempt from this. Here are clear examples of what happens when rage fills someone's body. Even if you're in a court of law, it's possible to explode.
If you want to fight, let's go out back and I'll just beat your ass.